Before we paint, we're going to make a large triangular ice cream cone. Try to make it as big as you possibly can from the brown paper that I give you. Look closely. It looks kind of like a triangle or an upside down V. See the letter V? Make sure your cone is big enough because we are going to stack lots of ice cream scoops on top. When you're finished drawing, cut it out, throw away your scraps, and glue it near the very bottom of your paper. Then write your name in the corner. Each color I gave you has white as a base. Before painting, pick just one color to mix. Swirl your brush while holding on to the paint tray. Do your best not to get it all over your hands because once your hands get paint on them, it starts spreading everywhere. Go slow, take your time, and mix it up until it looks lighter. When you paint the scoops, you can start with a line that looks kind of wavy. It's okay if your paint is really thick too. The thicker, the better. Just watch out that your colors don't mix too much for this project. Finish the cone with a line that looks like a rainbow at the top, like an arch. Here's the most important part for painting. When you're finished with the color, you're going to hold on to your water cup while washing your brush. To wash, you're going to sweep the brush at the very bottom of the cup, kind of like a broom or a mop. Keep checking the brush to look to see if the paint came off. Once it looks clean, gently tap it to the side of the cup to get extra water off, and then use your towel and give it a gentle squeeze. Your brush should always be clean and dry in between colors. If your paint gets really wet, it won't show up very well on your paper. So remember, mix, paint, and then wash and dry your brush. Have fun painting, and remember to take your time and go slow. When painting your next color on top, keep your paint really thick. That way, the first color below doesn't mix too much with your next color. Carefully wash your brush every time. Don't let your water spill. See how I'm holding on to the cup? Give it a good dry, and then you're ready to switch colors.